welcome back to my channel. I will be taking you through my simple morning skincare routine. First thing I do is attach my face brush with the head. Then I go in with my CeraVe face cleanser. And then I use my face brush and go in circular motion for about a minute. This cleanser is very soft to the skin and is good for acne prone skin as well. And after I am done washing, I take the head off the brush and rinse it off. I like to go in with a paper towel to wipe off my face rather than a washcloth because a paper towel is fresh and will prevent any germs or bacteria. And then the next step is applying my serum. The serum smells really good and it is very moisturizing for the skin. While I wait for my serum to sit on my face, I will go ahead and apply my lip oil. I hate crusty lips, and my lips are always dry whenever I am washing my face, so I always have to make sure that it stays moisturized. Now I am going in with my moisturizer. This moisturizer is a little on the dry side, and I kind of like that because it gives my skin a balance. This is just me taking a hair break because that hair is always gonna itch, baby. For every product that I use on my skin, I always like to make sure I am rubbing them in and letting them sit because you want their product to have its full effect. Now I'm going in with my sunscreen. This sunscreen is a little on the oily side, but like I said, I want to give my skin a balance. I don't want it to be too dry or too oily, so it has to have that balance. Now, I have heard and seen some comments about the sunscreen. Some people break out, some people get hives, but it hasn't been the same for me. I have been using this sunscreen for a few months now, and I can say that I love it. It all comes down to knowing your skin and giving it what it needs. The last step is me going in with my Paula's Choice Exfoliator. I use this on my chin because I have comedones. And that's it, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I also have a night skincare routine video if you want to check that out.